So when you roll into Morpowa with your ZR2 or LTZ and you get your GVM program and you then look at our Terminator S program, you roll in with a factory 6.2 litre engine. And if you're after that extra little bit of Shazam with a little bit more supercharger whine noise, why wouldn't you want to upgrade from your 6.2 naturally aspirated over to your 6.2 litre supercharged 2650 from Walkinshaw? So our Terminator S program is going to be powered by a 2650 Walkinshaw supercharger. We have the Walkinshaw exhaust system, and that is our performance upgrade to yield around 400 rear wheel hub kilowatts from this vehicle. From around 280 factory to approximately 400, give or take, with this program. It's blown. It whines. It makes more power, more torque, better throttle response, a shitload more top end. It pulls like a freight train all the way from the get-go. You pluck first, second, third, and fourth, and it keeps pulling. Yeah, it's good, but like...
Yeah, it's pretty good. A lot better than standard.
It's just, and like I'll say, like the Commodores,
yeah.
I like the part throttle.
Yeah.
Where you don't have to be thrashing this thing, but...
It's just easy just to get that power.
It's good.
You don't need to really put your foot down to get it to go somewhere.
No. And it sounds killer.
Yeah.
But the other cool part is towing. They tow effortlessly with the supercharger on them as well. Another thing people carry on about is fuel economy and is it better, is it worse? They're a direct injected engine at cruise. We're still seeing 17, 16 litres per 100 in this vehicle. So fuel economy isn't compromised until you put your foot down. And if you're going to put your foot down, it's going to drink. But that's like any engine. But the torque, the whine, the power, this is our Terminator S program, which is just killer.